What's up guys, welcome back to Super channel on YouTube. And today's video is like, as you guys saw the thumbnail and the title of this video, you guys will be seeing I went Riyadh for one day trip. So one day trip is big achievement of going actually. It takes like actually literally 5 hours to go and more 5 hours to come back, but in a day I'm saying. So it's the time is 5:29 actually. So it's getting late. We just woke up like 4:30 or something in the early morning. So I want to go, and all the clips in this video will be posted, and it will also be in my live video. So subscribe to my channel, and until next time, like it, and let's just go right into it.
But we don't talk anymore. Like we used to, like we used to.
So guys, right now, as you guys can see, where am I sitting right now? We are actually in a mall actually. So let me just show you guys. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That's like that. And then, so you guys know Carrefour. So we are actually currently in Carrefour, and it's really good. We just came for a refreshment. Let me just show you guys in a minute, and I'll be putting some of the clips over here. So stay tuned and let's just go. And the places where I'll be going, I'll be saying after this clip. So stay tuned and let's just go right into it. So guys, right now we are at the Wadi Namar waterfall. So as you guys can see behind me, we are literally over there right now. This is my first location. So see this. So there is the waterfall. So we are over here. So we need to go down the lane to there actually. So we have our vehicle over there. It's literally over there. So it's over there, and I'll be going over there actually in a moment. After I go over there, I'll be seeing you guys, and many clips of this video will be there, and I'll be even showing you guys more things about this. And let's just go right to it. So guys, right now, as you guys can see behind me, literally over here. So here you go with the lake. No, it's actually the waterfall. Sorry. So it looks really beautiful. When the water is like fully done, there'll be like it's like a dam system over there. I feel, and see the doves over here. Doves or the ducks? What's up? So they're also there, and there are many things over here also. The palm trees and the mountain like structure. It's really good. Let me just go in a shade actually. So you guys can see me right now. Yes, yeah. So it's a good view actually from here. You see this. See that? That. It's a great thing over here. I do like it a lot. And waterfall means there needs to be a waterfall. So currently the waterfall is like closed actually, due to because the timings when we came like 12 o'clock, and they'll be opening the waterfalls like 3 o'clock. So we are not going to wait. We need to go to more and more things. So we could not see that. Okay, next time when we come we can just see that. Let's be cool. And now on to the next one. So the next one is going to be the suspension bridge actually. I have never even gone over there. It's really great to see that, and I want to go over there. And let's just go to the next one. And it is a very beautiful nature over here. Okay, and now let's just go to the next one. So guys, right now, after like as I said you guys earlier, actually we went from the waterfall. We just went back to there was a nearby park. We just went over there to eat our lunch. Then we came back and then we just went to the mall. I bought a new T-shirt actually, or I want to show it to you guys, and I'll be wearing, or I'll like wear in my coming vlogs. So stay tuned. And now we are going to go to edge of the world, and after the edge of the world we are going to be going to like coming while we'll be going to suspension bridge. So we have great plans, and the time is right now 2:20. So let's just go right into it guys, and let's just get started. Yeah, let's just get started. What's up guys, welcome back. So today, so we are at the back. We got the edge of the world actually. So
But this is not the correct place, but that
we are in the way, and now we are going to go because there's a road over there that is literally like really dangerous. So we are just coming back.
it will take 100 years for us to go there.
So you guys see that last hill?
Curved.
Yeah, that's I can't
It
even
looks
do it
like a
properly.
metro or a train.
Yeah, that is the one which is the edge of the world. But by the way, we can't go because
Look at
safety
the truck.
safety is always important.
Yeah,
And,
it's getting
like
dark.
we need to go by now because it looks like it's even like going to rain, and if it's dark, no lights are also there. So maybe we'll be going to the suspension bridge or something. Let's just see, and let's just go like do
Alright,
it, and let's just get started.
Yeah.
What's up guys, welcome back. So we went to the edge of the edge of the world, but it was a big disaster happened to us. Our car got stuck, and then don't I recommend you guys one little thing, that don't go in like sunset time, go in early, like something like morning itself, because when you come at night it's a great thing. We just came night. It was really bad experience for me, and I changed all my outfit over here because it was so muddy. And now we'll be going to Riyadh again. Like this is actually the what do you call the Jeddah highway. So it's near somewhere to the Jeddah place. So now we are going to be going to Riyadh city actually, and maybe to the Kingdom Tower or somewhere else. So I'll be showing you guys clips, and let's just go right into it. So guys, right now as you guys can see behind me, we are in a furnished accommodation in Riyadh, and yesterday night we thought of going to Dammam, but then we were all tired, so we did not go to suspension bridge. We just came back to Riyadh city, and we just took so the lights just went, so we just took a nap actually. We just took a we even saw some clips, as you guys even saw some clips, many in the Riyadh city, many the Kingdom Tower and all. So now we'll be going back to Dammam, so and let's just go right into Dammam. So guys, right now, stop, come on. Yeah,
Hanging bridge, the pretty blue.
it's called suspension bridge, and it is really good. It's a cable wire bridge. Yeah, so it's speak a bit louder. So there's many sounds.
Yeah, very much. Sorry for the sound disturbance. So this is the bridge. It's built by Indian Sheshadri Srinivasan. He built it. So it's a big manufacturer.
Yeah, so right now we saw the suspension bridge on going back. Come on. So we saw the suspension bridge while going back home, to Dammam. So now
Yeah.
we'll be going to Dammam, and
Yeah.
on the way we'll be having some some clips
Sure.
and some breakfast. Actually, I don't know what is the breakfast. And let's just go to the next one.
Oh.
So guys, right now as you guys can see, we are heading back to Dammam. We just had our breakfast, and that was falafel, and it was a good food. We had a good trip over here. Just come whenever you guys are free over here to Riyadh, and it was a great experience for me. And so we are going to be going back to Dammam, and this is going to be the last clips of going to Dammam. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like these videos, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button. And so we're going to be heading back. And bye bye guys, and until next time, peace out guys, heading back to Dammam. Goodbye.